Good morning and assalamu alaikum to the students of level 7. As we have done the previous chapter, the newspapers, now you are requested to make a new title page of documentaries that is included in your final term. Today we are going to start a new chapters, that is documentary. That is on page number 276 of your textbook. Now, what are documentaries? Documentaries are the informative films where visual images, commentary, and sound combine to present a message that are based on fact. They are shown on television, they are made into the videos, and some are shown in the cinemas. Now, what are documentaries and why do people make documentaries? Documentaries record topical issues, nature, people, events, trends, history, travel, and science. They explain, analyze, or explore the certain events, circumstances, and issues. Documentary makers have to do a lot of research to make sure their information is accurate and can be supported by the evidence. For example, if you people will make documentary on COVID-19, so you have to find out all the history and the background information, that what is the origination of COVID-19 virus, when did the virus came into being. You have to provide each and every history to provide information for the listeners. That's why documentaries are being made. The information should be accurate and can be supported by evidences. That is the important part of making the documentary. Otherwise, it will lose its attention and credibility. Now, why do people make documentaries? You have to write that question in your exercise books. And the second question is that what is the main difference between a movie and a documentary? You have to find it out. You have to visit this website, that is www.documentary.com, to find out certain and short videos about any topic or any issue. After that, you are going to watch that documentary. Analyze the elements of the documentary to gain a greater understanding of how and why the documentaries are being made. The elements of documentary has been given on page number 277 of your textbook. Elements of documentary contain title. After watching the documentary, just you have to find out the elements. You don't need to copy down that. Only you have to do these questions in your exercise books. That's it. And this is your ICT homework. You have to watch a documentary and then find out the elements of a documentary, means title, credits, narrator, images and scenes by yourself, and you have to keep that in your mind. It is for your understanding only, that you will be able to understand what are documentaries and why they are being made, and what is the difference between a movie and a documentary. I hope that you will do this assignment on time. Best of luck to the students of level 7. Thank you.